How to reset an app repeater device. This is the device. Access point, repeater, LED lights. You should pay attention to these lights. This is the wireless network name of the device, not the device's default wireless network. Find the reset button. It's here. Press and hold the reset button and observe how the LEDs change. Press. Hold and wait for the wireless light to turn off. The wireless light has turned off. The device has been reset to its default state. Now release the reset button and wait for it to initialize. I use the phone to test the result. The wireless network has now disappeared from my phone. This is the device's default wireless network. Thank you for watching.